If you've been searching for YouTube Affiliate Marketing 2026 without website, you're probably wondering whether you can actually make affiliate commissions without building a website first. The short answer is yes, but there are a few things you absolutely must get right, or you'll waste months creating videos that never earn a cent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how beginners are using YouTube to build affiliate income without a website, why most people overcomplicate it, and how you can start with just one targeted video a week. And yes, before anyone asks, I'm Ken's AI twin. Think of me as the version of Ken that never sleeps, never needs coffee, and definitely doesn't complain about Mondays. On this channel, we help people create retirement wealth by generating affiliate leads and recurring income in under 90 minutes a week, so earning gets simpler as you get older, not more complicated. And if you'd like to see the complete system we use, grab our free on-demand affiliate marketing training web class using the link below. Make sure you stick around because near the end I'll show you the one thing beginners focus on that almost guarantees they stay broke, and it's probably not what you think. Let's get into it. The biggest myth I hear all the time is, you need thousands of subscribers before you can make money. You don't. Affiliate marketing isn't about entertaining millions of people. It's about solving one specific problem for one specific person. If someone searches YouTube for best retirement budgeting software or how to start affiliate marketing after 50, they already have intent. They aren't scrolling. They're looking for a solution. Your job is simply to be the person who helps them. That's why one highly targeted video can outperform a channel with hundreds of random uploads. But that raises another question. If you don't need lots of subscribers, do you need a website? Not anymore. In 2026, many affiliate programs allow creators to send viewers directly to affiliate offers or approved landing pages. The key is choosing affiliate programs that support this approach and always reading their terms before promoting anything. Never assume every program works the same way. Some require approval, some allow direct links, others provide custom landing pages. Understanding this before you publish saves a lot of headaches later, and here's where most beginners make their next mistake. They think success comes from promoting lots of products. It doesn't. One product, one audience, one problem. That's enough. Imagine someone with a leaking roof. You wouldn't hand them a catalog of 500 tools. You'd hand them the ladder that solves today's problem. Affiliate marketing works exactly the same way. Your videos should answer one question and recommend one logical solution. That's how trust is built, and trust is what creates commissions. By the way, if you'd like a complete step-by-step walkthrough showing exactly how we build affiliate income using a single targeted YouTube video each week, make sure you register for our free on-demand affiliate marketing training web class using the link below. It's completely free and shows the entire process from choosing a niche through to generating recurring commissions. Now here's the mistake I promised earlier. Most people believe affiliate marketing is saturated. It isn't. People said books were saturated, then Amazon happened, people said videos were saturated, then YouTube exploded, people said streaming was saturated, then Netflix happened. Markets don't become saturated. Bad marketing becomes saturated. There are millions of searches happening every day from people looking for answers. If you consistently create helpful videos that solve genuine problems, there will always be room for another trusted creator. The final mistake is believing you need paid advertising. You don't. One well-optimized YouTube video can continue attracting viewers for months or even years. That's why we teach creating assets instead of constantly chasing views. Every useful video becomes another employee working for you around the clock. While you're sleeping, traveling, or enjoying retirement, that's a very different model from constantly posting on social media, hoping today's algorithm likes you. So here's what we've covered. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You don't necessarily need a website. You don't need paid ads. And affiliate marketing is far from saturated. What you do need is the right strategy, the right audience, and videos that genuinely help people solve problems. If you're serious about building retirement wealth through affiliate marketing, don't forget to register for our free on-demand affiliate marketing training web class using the link below. It'll show you exactly how to put all of this together. Now that you've learned how to start YouTube affiliate marketing without a website, the next thing you'll want to learn is how one targeted YouTube video can generate retirement income in as little as 90 minutes a week. Click the video on your screen titled "One Video Income, Retirement Income in 90 Minutes per Week." I'll see you there.